I just built, designed, and hosted this web app in just 45 seconds. And I didn't write a single line of code. I teach you guys every single week how to build things with AI on this channel. And today we're going to build an app with Higgsfield Supercomputer App Builder. And why not using Cloud Code? If you ask me, because Cloud Code wouldn't be able to host a site for you. Higgsfield connects to Cloud through MCP, so you are using Fable 5 model inside Higgsfield, and it can also host the site for you, and you don't need to do that yourself. So this is a massive time saver, and it's also very easy to do. But before we jump into the building, Higgsfield is giving away 100 free MCP credits to any user that joins from my link. And you can find the link in this video description. Also, you need to claim this right now because they're running a $100,000 campaign for the most used app on their published apps. And to win this $100,000, all you need to do is publish an app on their platform, and the one that gets the most attention will win $100,000. The deadline for it is on July 22, so you need to move fast. So let's build an app so you can enter. So I just hopped on inside the Higgsfield, and as you can see, if I go here, it's using the supercomputer. And if you want to build an app in here, all you need to do is type the prompt here. It's very simple, and as you can see, supercomputer can do a ton of things. It can do apps, it can do marketing, it can do e-commerce, like everything you can imagine. So if you want to build an app, all you need to do is insert a prompt. So we're going to start off with this simple prompt. We're going to tell that we need an app, a Creator Core Viral Studio. So what this app does, it needs to do an input field for the video idea and then generate hooks button. So for example, a person gets a video idea, he inserts the idea inside our app, and it also generates hooks for him. So as you can see right here, when the user types an idea and clicks the button, the app must generate and display 3 unique full paragraph YouTube intro scripts based on that topic, and displaying them in a clean 3-card layout labeled the curiosity gap, the bold claim, and the story start. So all you need to do then is choose a mode. So for example, you can use the smart mode, you can use the efficient mode, or you can choose any other model. And the best thing about it, you can choose the Entropic Fable 5. So that's what I'm gonna do exactly for this one. I want Higgsfield to use the Fable 5 brain. So it's gonna be insane because Higgsfield connects through Cloud through MCPs, so it can do a lot of good things in here. So let's just push this prompt in here, and I'm gonna show you how everything happens. So when I put this prompt, it should start out spitting up some results. And if you ask me why is it better than Cloud Code, because you are using the Cloud Code inside Higgsfield, and Higgsfield can actually host the site for you. You don't need to do that yourself. So as you can see right now, Higgsfield has made some tasks it need to do. So it's doing all of these tasks one by one. First is Street App Quick Start and all of the other docs. Then it's gonna do branding, adapt app, wire, and all the other things, and also push and deploy for the final app. So I'm just going to wait a bit, and I'm going to show you how to actually add even more features to the app and how the app looks. So guys, the app is done, and I can see the preview inside right here. So as you can see, if I insert my video idea, it will spit out 3 hooks. I can also change if I wanted, like indie hacker, SaaS founder, like I can even choose the tone, I can generate them. And I can see my saved hooks in here. I can see how it works. So just a full preview of the app, but it's not done yet. So we can also ask the Higgsfield to add the teleprompter mode. So button inside of each 3 hook cards, where when I click it, the app must open a full screen modal displaying the exact generated script from the text card. And I want it to actually be like a teleprompter. So I can just push that idea in, and it will also generate this inside the app in just a couple of minutes. So let's just push this idea, and then I will even show you how you can add a thumbnail generator inside the app too, so you don't even have to worry about the thumbnails of your videos. This can be a very useful app for people who create content, for example. The app just added the teleprompter feature. Let me just insert my prompt in here, and let's just try on generate the hooks. So as you can see, we got 3 different intro scripts because intro scripts are the most important inside the YouTube, so you have to have the best ones. So for example, I can just copy the script, or I can also use the teleprompter feature. As you can see, it's fully working. I can even adapt the speed for it. I can even restart it, and I can pause it. So it's completely insane because I just built this inside Higgsfield in just a couple of minutes. So that's not it. We're gonna even add one more feature. So I want the Higgsfield to generate thumbnails for my videos. So we'll also add this feature here too. So I'm gonna just insert a prompt to add a new section at the bottom called Thumbnail Visualizer. So I want to integrate the Higgsfield native image generation model, and I wanted to actually make a completely fresh thumbnail for the video that I chose the script from. So let's just paste that in, and let's wait a couple of seconds for Higgsfield to generate this inside our app. And as you can see, you can even view preview inside here. And as you can see, even Higgsfield generated all the branding for our app before I even requested it. So it's also very cool to have, because you don't need to generate all of those visuals yourself. So I'm gonna get back to you once the generation is done and we will see the final app. So guys, and the last feature is done. As you can see, if we scroll down on our app, we can see a thumbnail visualizer. So you can describe your video concept and render a cinematic thumbnail concept with Higgsfield image model. As you know, Higgsfield generates the best images out there, and so it will be an amazing thumbnail for your YouTube channel, for example. So I can just insert a prompt in here, and I can just insert prompt in here, and I can just push that in, and it will generate the best thumbnail possible. So I think it's really cool, and I just spent like 5 minutes exploring the Higgsfield app generation, and the results actually surprised me. As you can see, you can even publish this app in seconds. You don't need to do any technical things. So for example, if I just click publish, as you can see, I can just click on this button. I can name it, I can pick my own domain. As you can see, I can choose my own branding, I can add name right here, I can add description, and I can just put on publish. And that's it. As you can see, I can submit my app for $100,000 app contest. So for example, if I submit it, so if you want to submit and be on this challenge, I need to post an app to at least one public social media platform. So how does this actually work? So basically how this works, whenever a person publishes an app before July 22 and gets the most people inside their app, is going to win $100,000, the Higgsfield prize. So this is a very great opportunity. You can also explore it. You can build an amazing apps, and it's very simple inside here because you don't need to have any technical skills, and Higgsfield, by using Cloud Fable 5, has the most advanced features out there. And if you know, their image model is also insane, so you can create some amazing generators and all of the other cool apps. So make sure to click the link in my description or inside my pinned comments and try this feature yourself. So see you in the next one.